Through research, we find that based on China's total population, the total number of patients is estimated at 14 million to 42 million. The number of teenagers living with scoliosis exceeds 5 million and rises by roughly 30,000 each year. Globally, with a total population of around 8 billion, the total number of scoliosis patients is approximately 160 million to 240 million. There are about 1.2 billion teenagers aged 10 to 18 worldwide, and the number of affected teenagers is estimated at 19.8 million to 37.2 million. Did you know millions or even tens of millions of scoliosis patients in China are trapped by two problems in reality? First, some hospitals in remote areas cannot measure the Cope angle, and the Cope angle is the only gold standard for diagnosing and assessing the severity of scoliosis. For adults and patients, they need 2 times every examinations each year as they are still growing, and the single cost is about 300 to 1,500 yuan. These estimations doesn't include travel expenses, food, and etc. Second, some scoliosis surgery costs even up to 100,000 yuan, and after reimbursement, it costs 50,000 or 60,000 yuan, and patients living in a remote area and lack money cannot prepare in advance. These conclusions are cut from our research and survey on patients. The core of SpineHope is a specialized AI model trained on more than 100,000 clinical X-ray images, built with medical reliability and ethics. The model first processes the X-ray image, identify key spinal points, and then runs our custom-developed Cope angle calculation algorithm to offer precise results. We also consult professional doctors who confirm that our system has great precision with a measurement error rate below 3 degrees. The mini program is built on WeChat's native mini program framework, with cloud servers processing image, no app download required, and 100% free for all users. We also use Yihan AI to support our program. We use Doubao to generate the outline of this mini program, and then we use Cursor to generate the mini program, from its appearance to function to iteration, ensuring the app was both user-friendly and technically stable. This is a homepage of SpineHope. As we can see, there are 3 functions. First, AI assessment. We click Choose Image, and then choose it from our photo album, and start assessing. If the measure of Cope angle exceeds 40 degrees, the system will send a surgery alert. Then there's cost estimation. We first choose our departure province and city of care, and then insurance type and visit type. Then we can generate estimation and we'll give our the budget. Then is the rehab shop. We can choose the brace or the rehabilitation course that we want. Today, we are improving AI measurement precision and adding multi-language support for global launch. Soon, we will add a surgery outcome prediction to expand care compatibilities. Every change came from listening to patients, making SpineHope a tool by patients and for patients. Whether you are a patient hoping for a convenient re-examination, a teenager wearing a brace, or a person who has just discovered scoliosis, anyone can use it at any time. WeChat mini program do not need to be downloaded as long as there is a mobile phone with WeChat. It can be used immediately when opened, and almost all users in China can use it without barrier. At present, there are no similar competitors in the market, which is a real blue ocean track. Our business model is clear and diverse, using free AI measurement for customer acquisition and making profits through getting commissions from brace sales and rehabilitation courses. In short term, we will deepen the WeChat mini program, quickly cover patients across the country in needs. In the near future, we will expand the app version to serve global scoliosis patients and create a global spinal health service track. Our aim and intention is to use technology to break down the barriers of uneven distributed medical resources, so that every scoliosis patient, whether in a bustling city or a remote village, can equally access professional, convenient, and affordable spinal health service. Except for SpineHope, the only way for patients who live in rural areas to measure an accurate Cope angle is to travel long distances to first-tier cities, spending days traveling and waiting for doctors. Recently, there's no way to estimate the total cost of the surgery. If they want to purchase effective braces and rehabilitation courses, they only have 2 choices: ask other users or try themselves. However, when they use SpineHope, all they need is a few taps, and then they can know their Cope angle, whether surgery is needed, the estimated cost,
and trustworthy rehabilitation courses and braces within a few minutes. SpineHope saves time and money, overcoming some difficulties on the way to patients' cure of scoliosis, getting rid of the diseases that troubles them on both mental and physical health for years.
We are committed to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, good health and well-being. Use AI to guard our spine so that our goal is no longer far away. One type, straight spine, a life redefined, hope shines bright.